The Marvel Avengers shield. What happened? You want me to come in your room? Inflatable shield. Micah's trying to spin his Chuck E. Cheese thing. I think you spinning. You gotta hold on to this part and spin. You're hanging on the wrong part. Hang on to that part. There you go. I'll spin. There you go. See? Comes with a pear patch. And there it is. This is the shield. We gotta blow it up now. Hopefully it doesn't have a hole since it's a patch. It's all blown up now. That's the shield. You can't get me! You can't get me! It's my shield! It's my shield! I need my sword now. Should I go get my sword? No! You know how to use this? Put your hand in there. Put your hand in the hole. It's your shield.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at you with the Spider-Man. Push your shield up. Block it. Quick. You're supposed to put the shield up. Block it. Ah, you got me. Oh, use the shield to block my web. Oh, I can't get you. You're using the shield. Oh, no. Oh, I can't get you. Where did you go? Put the shield down. I'm going to get... Got you down there. What'd you do? Pushing me with the shield?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You.
Not me? I need a sword with the shield. I don't need the gun. Okay, I'll take the gun. That's my backup weapon. First, let me go get my sword. Let me go get a sword.
No, my sword.
Your swords?
Yeah. My sword.
I think you have them all hidden behind the TV. Okay. So you want to hold the camera? No? Okay, here. Put your hand in. There you go. Now record me holding the shield. Got it? See? See? You hold the shield to block it. You can't get me. You know me? Now you want to try? Okay, put your hand in. Okay. Now here's the sword. Okay, good job. See, now I try to fight you. Now I try to fight you. Watch. Put your shield up. I can't get you. Put your shield up. Oh, I can't get you. I can't get you. Put the shield down. No. Put the shield down.
No.
Ah, you gotta block me though. I can get you down there. Oh. That's no fair. You got a shield. I need a shield. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ah, you got me. Don't make me use my saber. Oh. Don't block it with your shield. I'm gonna get you. Oh yeah, you blocked it with the shield. Boom.
It got me.
I can't get you. Yeah, I can. I can fly. Ah, run! He's got me. Hey, did you lock me out? Did you lock me out, Micah?
Yeah.
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 Oh, I want to come in.
No.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
No.
Can I come in?
No.
No. Knock, knock.
No.
It's Spider-Man. Can I come in?
No.
I'm Spider-Man though.
No, I'm Spider-Man.
Okay, knock knock. It's Batman.
Here.
Can I come in?
I'm Spider-Man.
You're Spider-Man?
I'm Spider-Man. Whoa.
Hello, Spider-Man.
Good eyes. I'm here.
You're Spider-Man?
I'm in. I'm in.
Oh, I can come in now?
Yeah.
Okay. So what? So what, Spider-Man? Are we supposed to play with your train?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You've got a lot of your pieces down here that are broke. And the train hit the ambulance. Oh no.
Yeah.
You left the train on. Where's the back of the train? You were in here playing in the morning. I don't know what you did with it.
Whoa.
Woohoo.